Guys, so today we're just going to kind of show you around Dumaguete and show you how this virus is really affecting things and just shutting down the city, slowing things down. Businesses are closing early and some businesses are closed, so stay tuned. All right, so it's 12:30 in the afternoon, and normally this is rush hour. It'd be non-stop traffic here. It'd be actually traffic jam usually in Dumaguete. Anybody who's been to Dumaguete knows that. But there's no school. There's no school till when? Yeah. So it's still suspended. We have no idea when classes will resume. But yeah, you can see behind me there's no traffic. Just past McDonald's at 12:30, and normally McDonald's has a line out the door, and there was nobody in McDonald's. And also there's a lot of businesses that say no mask, no entry. So I'll just continue showing around Dumaguete, but yeah, normally this is non-stop traffic. Alright guys, so we are at the famous boulevard here in Dumaguete, and again, mid-afternoon, lunchtime, where there'd normally be lots of people eating at the restaurants here, and nobody. Even on the boulevard behind us, there's really nobody walking by or anything. Really quite empty. So, yeah, is the virus affecting Dumaguete? It definitely is. Still got some ships out at the port there. I don't know where they're going. I don't know if you can go to Sikior or not. Maybe you can go to Apo Island or Sikior from Dumaguete, but probably nowhere else. No, thank you. Okay, so anyway, we're going to go meet up some friends in Valencia and have some lunch, and we'll take you along. See ya. Alright, so I'm at Starbucks here in Dumaguete, and you can only get coffees to go. They no longer will have seating. That's no longer available. You can just grab your coffee and you can go. They don't allow you to sit, and then they require 1 meter in between each person standing in line. They got all the seating areas sectioned off so you can't sit down. So I didn't realize that when I went in and grabbed a coffee. I thought I'd go in and sit down, but nope, no sitting down, just coffee and go. Also, there's a curfew going on too. Right, so I grabbed my coffee and went over here to the boulevard to hang out and finish this video. But as I was saying, you can't stay at Starbucks. You can only grab your coffee and go. I'm assuming the other coffee places here in Dumaguete, Tom Tom's, Bo's, are probably the same. I might go check it out at some point. And again, it's around 5 o'clock now, and McDonald's again, nobody there. Roads are still pretty empty for being this time of day. Usually it's much busier. But they started a curfew here in Dumaguete, and the curfew runs from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. So unless you are a worker going or coming from work, or you're police or firemen, or you are going to get food and back, then you are not allowed to be out on the roads at all, because there's a pretty strict curfew in place. So yeah, so this is the way life's going to be for a little while here in Dumaguete and around the Philippines and a lot of places around the world. So interesting times. We'll see what happens, but my plans, as well as a lot of people, are on hold, and we just don't know what's going to happen now. I got a job in Malaysia. I don't know what's going to happen with it, if they'll hold it. Probably they will hold it because schools are going to be closed. So there's not a whole lot they can really do. They can't find somebody else and hire them because, you know, there's nobody else coming to Malaysia. So, but yeah, the water still looks beautiful here on the boulevard. Still a nice day, so I'm going to enjoy my coffee, but yeah, guys, questions, comments, go ahead, comment down below, and we'll have that discussion, and I'll see you guys next time. Alright, so we got the famous Sans Revolve restaurant on the boulevard here. Normally it's extremely packed at this time. A lot of people sitting outside. There's only 2 people sitting out there behind me, you can see. So, yeah, we still got a little bit of traffic, but nobody's going to restaurants. And yeah, I'll go show you McDonald's real quick here. And so here's McDonald's. You can see just nothing. There's like nobody here. I don't know if it's not closed. It should be open, but maybe just the drive-thru is open. But absolutely nothing going on here. Extremely slow. So this is definitely going to hurt businesses in the long run. That's for sure. Even at the gas station, everybody's got masks on. As you can see. Yeah. See, everybody's got masks. Alright guys, so hopefully you enjoyed touring around Dumaguete with me and seeing what life is like here March 18th, 2020 amongst, you know, the whole outbreak and the craziness going on here, and not just here in Dumaguete, all around the Philippines and all around the world. This stuff is going on. I'm not going to say whether I think it's good or bad. I'm no expert in it, but hopefully things return to normal, because it's certainly disrupting life for a lot of us, hurting a lot of businesses, hurting a lot of people who can't get to and from work. A lot of businesses are hurting, lack of customers. It's going to cause them to lay off people, and Filipinos for sure definitely don't need to be out of a job or hours cut and you know, shortage of money. That is for sure. In the West, you know, we can handle it a little bit better, but here, absolutely not. So hopefully things go back to normal. We can get back to our daily lives. I can continue to make videos, and I, you know, when I make videos, I really like to do travel videos as more of my forte. You know, bringing my girlfriend along and going to see waterfalls, and sprinkling in some videos of also daily life of what it's like to live in the Philippines, and you know, in the near future, then life in Malaysia. And I will still continue to do videos, you know, with the Philippines, because it's just a 2-hour ride or so away by airplane. And yeah, so questions, comments, comment down below. We'll have that discussion. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.